We guide you through how to see your subscribers on YouTube using the mobile app on both iPhone and Android. First thing you need to do is open YouTube app and make sure you are signed in to your channel. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then select your channel. Next, tap Manage Videos or Edit Channel, then go to Analytics, and inside YouTube Studio Mobile, tap the Audience tab to view your subscriber count and recent subscribers. Keep in mind that you'll only see the names of subscribers who may have made their subscriptions public. Private subscribers will only appear in the total count. This method lets you track who's following your channel and monitor your growth directly from your phone anytime.